you guys, welcome back to Vlogmas day 2. Today is an errands and a cleaning day. In case you're wondering, I'm not actually getting a tree or decorating my New York apartment just because I'm going back to California and I'm going to be doing it there. So all that content is absolutely coming. It's just I'm going to wait till I'm in California. Me and my dad always get like a real tree and we put all of our sentimental ornaments on it, and it's such a great bonding experience that I feel like I can't ever replicate it in New York. Like, me and my dad just have that tradition. So that's where that is, in case you're wondering. But I'm gonna get started on cleaning and we're gonna pick this place up. Got myself a new Brita, and this is the larger size. I believe it holds 4 gallons of water. And then I got the long-lasting filters to go with it. I'm just constantly having to change my Brita filters and filling it up. All right, here she is. I got the gray color. They also have it in black. And this fits, I believe, double of what their standard pitcher does. So it's gonna be perfect for me because I drink so much water and it is so annoying to constantly have to refill my Brita pitcher. So I splurged and got this one. I'm gonna set her up, wash her, put the filters in it, and show you guys the finished product. She's up and running. I love how much water it holds. And I like this little sticker guide that lets you know when you need to change the filter. It comes with a standard filter, but I also bought the long-lasting filters. They last up to 6 months, you guys. Genius. So I put the standard filter in for right now, just because I'm not really gonna be using it, so it probably has a longer life. And just waiting for this baby to fill up. Lunch today is this herb-crusted chicken with this like Parmesan sauce, broccoli, mushrooms, and carrots, and I think sweet potatoes. It's really, really good. Most days I usually like to take an actual lunch and hang out, but some days you gotta work through it. I have not been able to get to cleaning because of work. Work has just been really busy today. I was doing demo calls for new tools. I was working on processes, so I haven't gotten able to do this, but I want to. These were shipping out later today. I'm gonna take them to Staples. This is going to Goodwill in the back here. I need to take this out to the trash room, put all these clothes away, remake my bed, the couch area. So let's get started. You guys, I'm done cleaning. The apartment is back to looking gorgeous and at ease. I wanted to touch on the title of this vlog of why I'm staying in New York long term, because a lot of other New York vloggers have moved out of New York. I personally am not going to be doing that. For me, it's a few different things, but the first is that I feel comfortable in the city. The city is my home. My friends are here. It's where my job is. So naturally it feels like a home. The other option was to move back home to California and be with my parents, you know, live rent-free, probably sell my furniture. But for me, that would have meant most likely having to quit my job and trying to find another job, or worse, trying to work East Coast hours on Pacific time. And neither of those options sounded smart to me. I don't necessarily want to be part of a job search. It is really tough right now, and I'm happy with my employer. I am privileged to have had a full-time 9-to-5 job during all of this, and I understand that my friends, my family, your friends, your family, potentially even you, have gone through so much hardship this year, depending on what industry you were in. And even my company was hit very hard with layoffs, and it's never an easy thing to see or to be a part of. And I know I am extremely grateful to still have my job, to still be able to pay rent and put food on the table and buy myself, you know, clothes or disposable income of sorts. So I never take that for granted. I'm gonna stay put, but expect some moving vlogs, because I'm gonna be moving out of this apartment. Expect that, and yes, I'm definitely staying in New York for at least 2 or 3 more years, so you can count on the New York content. Running my errands, I decided to wait to ship the packages till tomorrow because it was too much to fit in one bag, so I'm just gonna pop them over to the UPS store and FedEx. So I got shipping labels, and then I wanted to go to Ulta to pick up those face masks, which they did have. I got the cheetah one. It says it's a soft cotton material, comfortable and easy to wear, one size fits most, and 3 for $12.99 is a pretty good deal. Oh, okay. These feel really comfortable. These would definitely not be good to work out in, but are probably perfect to go to brunch in or shopping, where you don't need like a really breathable material, because this is definitely sweat inducing. So I'm gonna try it out first. Oh, that's so nice, you guys. And it's super cute. For dinner tonight, I'm having the grilled pork chop with parsnip puree and a grilled fennel as well, with this like really nice garlic sauce. Looks so good, and I'm gonna put some Dawson's Creek on and enjoy. Ending the night with some black cherry halo top and Dawson's Creek. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like this video down below, as well as subscribing to my channel so you can see plenty more Vlogmas videos from me. I'm gonna be doing a fashion Vlogmas video tomorrow, so you guys can look forward to that. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.